trading options have been increasing day by day. Just years ago, the entire concept of cryptocurrencies was completely unknown. Today, it's one of the most talked about topics in the entire world. Though the opinions on the same may not be consistent among all, the talks have never seen a subsidy. Today, we're going to look at a similar thing that has been happening in the past. Hello, future billionaires! Welcome back to this channel, where we'll be speaking about the best cryptocurrencies available in the market. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of this video to learn more about how to use Binance futures in this video. We will be walking you through step-by-step instructions on how to make enough money through this feature. If this is something that you would like, make sure you like this video and also comment if you would ever like to use it. While you're here, turn on the post notifications to make sure you never miss out on anything. So, without any more delays, let us get started with today's video. The first thing that you need to ensure is that you have a Binance account. Head over to Binance.com and hit on register. The steps for this are pretty straightforward. All you have to do is head onto the registration page and enter your email address. Set a password and confirm your email address through a link that will be sent to your account. Once the link's confirmed, you will be all set with your Binance account. You'll see a lot of menus for various purposes. Since we're specifically focusing on one thing, that is, the futures, we will be heading onto the Futures tab at the left side of the screen. Click on that to head onto the next screen, which will give you two options. You can either use the USDM futures, or else you have the option to use the Coin M futures. The difference between the both is that in the case of holding the USD futures, it means that you have a comparatively very stable coin. However, if you use the other option, you will be able to hold them in the form of a cryptocurrency, be it Bitcoin or any other coin available in the market. The difference which is there between the both of them is that in case you look forward to holding it on a long time, using Coin M futures will actually help them in gaining the percentage margin, but also make enough on the value of the same. However, in case you hold for a shorter duration of time, then you might very well go for USDM futures. We will, for the purpose of this video, start off using the Coin M future in this video. To get started with the long order, you need to buy the desired coin first and have them in your wallet. Once you've bought the coin that you desire, you can then swap it to the Coin M future. For this, head on the wallet option on the top of your screen and select Fiat and Spot. You'll then see a screen that will show you all the balances you have for you to deposit. Click on Deposit against the coin that you want to deposit. Clicking this will help you generate the Bitcoin address that's required for you to deposit. Once you click on that, you'll see a QR code and the address of your Bitcoin that you want to deposit. You then have to send all of the data to the address that's been mentioned right under the QR. You then have to send this from your wallet to the address that's displayed here. Once you do this and the money reaches Binance, you have to trade for the coin of your choice. This would be the last step before you could choose the coin margin futures. Once you're through these processes, there are high chances that you'll see your deposits would now have turned into wallet amount. This means that you are now ready to exchange this with another coin, as we mentioned earlier. Head on to the trade option on the top and click on Classic to get this done easily. This will take you to another screen where you have to select a coin to which you want to convert your Bitcoin into. You then have to buy at the current price, which can be done through the buttons available at the bottom of the screen. You may use any amount of the wallet money that you have. In case you want to use 100% of it, just click on the option and it will use the entire wallet balance. This will not take a huge time to process, and you'll be able to proceed to the next step fairly soon. You now have to go back to your deposit wallet. Click on the wallet for the same to find the amount of the other coin that you bought using Bitcoin. The next step is to sue them to swap them with coin margin futures. Head back into the menu of the future and click on Coin M futures. On the top right of the webpage, you'll see the option to transfer. Click on Transfer, and it'll take you to another menu that gives you access to transfer the coins. Select the coin which you bought earlier. You'll also find the list of coins that can be used for this purpose in Binance, so make sure that the coin you tried this out with is one of the ones that's listed as being present there. You also have to select the amount of it that you want to transfer. You have the option to select it manually or select them based on percentages. Enter the desired amount and hit on Confirm. The main processes that have to be done are now complete. The next page that you need to head to is the Derivatives page. You'll see a drop-down menu from where you need to select the Coin M futures. Starting from the top left, make sure you select the right asset that you want to make the transactions with. By that, we mean the coin that you recently transferred your holdings to. Also, make sure that you use the perpetual option of the coin that you've bought and not quarterly. Another thing that you have to keep in mind is the leverage, which is by default set at 20x. A good amount of the leverage will be around 3x to a maximum of 4x. Any point above that could make you lose your coins. Confirm this change as well. Let us now move into the entry. This is imperative for the system to know what your intentions are. You can set the orders based on your own wishes, based on the price of the coin that you've chosen. You can access this control to place the order on the right side of the screen. Change the size bar to the approximate value that you think is the right value. Keep in mind that this bar is in percentages. Also, do not forget to enter the prices that you deem right. You can now proceed to click on Buy Long. This will mean that your order has now been processed and submitted. In case you want to go out with a second order, head back to the same screen and change the initially set value of price to be the second value. Also, if you look forth to make some changes in the size percentage, which is essentially your balance, choice is all yours. If you look forward to having just 2 orders, the second one will probably have the size of 100%. In case you want to review the orders that you've made, head on to the Open Orders tab at the bottom of the screen. This will help you automate the process if the prices pull back below your point of entry and therefore extend your liquidation price to prevent you from getting liquidated and gaining losses. In other words, this is a method to manage the biggest risks that you could have while trading. This was a very basic manner in which the futures can be used to set orders in Binance. This was the story of Binance. There are more such apps that do support the future, like the Bybit, which is a very useful app in itself and will help you minimize a lot of your efforts and help make your own investment strategies, enabling you to excel. We hope you liked the video. If yes, make sure to leave a like to this video and also subscribe to this channel. We will be coming up with more videos like this, so make sure you turn on the post notifications to never miss anything. Till we come up with new videos, make sure you keep earning through various incomes and always keep a source of passive income ready for you to save the day.